Maybe you, or someone you know, is going through a divorce. It's a difficult time, and money stress can amplify every painful part. I'm Dan, and this is Dad's Wallet, where we help you save money and grow wealth. We'll go over 6 money steps through divorce to lower your stress and increase your success. One half of marriages end in divorce. That amount is increasing with each next marriage. What I mean by that is in the chart to the left here, the first marriage typically ends in divorce 42% of the time. Now, if you get remarried, your chance of divorce in that second marriage is 60%, and so on. The average age of divorce is 30, and the years before remarriage are usually 3, a 3-year gap in between those marriages. There are 100 divorces per hour, so this is a pervasive problem. We all know someone who has been directly or indirectly affected by divorce. That includes my family growing up. But divorce is difficult. It's a difficult way to enter into a new chapter in life. Like anything else in life, money can amplify the good and the awful parts of a new chapter. These 6 steps will help you win with money through and after a divorce. Step 1. Set a cool down period. Don't make any major or long-term financial decisions for a set amount of time. I recommend 6 months at least. This will help keep emotion out of the decision-making process. There's a lot of things that go into someone's life, whether it be housing, transportation, food, and making decisions that affect long-term consequences of your budget are going to be something you want to do without emotional input. Step 2, budget for a new lifestyle. Separating finances means 2 housing payments, 2 cell phone payments, 2 food budgets coming from 2 separate paychecks. Pay attention to cash flow closely on a monthly basis. Your work life and personal life will both be greatly impacted. Having kids in the mix is only going to amplify that challenge. This is where a budget is going to come in handy, whether you're used to it or this is a new topic for you. Step 3, pay attention to taxes. Consult with a tax professional on how you owe something different and what you'll owe, how it will change during tax season. You'll need a budget for the difference there, so you're not going to be surprised by a big bill later on. Again, children and other dependents are going to complicate this even further, so it's important that you consult with a professional who can help guide you in this process. Take a moment to hit that subscribe button for more Dad's Wallet money tips. Step 4, pay attention to your retirement. Your new cash flow will impact your long-term goals. If you have to use an early withdrawal from certain tax-advantaged accounts, there's going to be penalties and tax implications for you to consider. You'll want to consult with your financial advisor or advantages on other advantages, or to roll over funds into a new type of account. Step 5, grow your wealth. Your long-term financial plan will be more difficult and it'll be more important. You're now relying on one income. Every dollar needs to work hard for you. It's time to double down on your own financial education and invest in yourself. Remember, you're not in this alone, but you're going to be the sole provider for your track towards retirement and your financial freedom. Step 6, don't go alone. This is a complex and emotional time. Having a neutral and objective financial guide is going to be key. It's also time to rely heavily on friends and family for all kinds of different support. Personal and financial habits formed in stressful times can especially be difficult to break on down the road. This is a difficult time for you, but hopefully, statistically, you understand that a lot of people are going through this and have been going through this or have gone through this. So finding support from people that are successful, who have gone ahead of you in life, is a key facet for no matter what you're going through. With every milestone, it's important to look to the right and left, find those people that are 1 or 2 steps ahead of you, that find success, and learn how they got there. You can follow in their footsteps, or you can learn from their successes and mistakes. But regardless, if you try to figure out on your own, it's going to be more difficult, more costly, and it's going to be something that you are going to be carrying a burden on your back to make everything a more painful process for you. We don't have any paid ads or content, but sharing this video with someone you think would benefit would be an amazing way to let me know that you found some value. Comment below on more milestones you'd like for some money tips on, and I'll try to unpack those in a way that can help you accelerate your path to success.